Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. Here we have to scroll down to find the option Sounds and Haptics. Then let's tap on this ringtone section, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the specific ringtone to listen to it. So let me pick, for example, Chalet, and this is how it works. As you can see, you can check all of those options which are available right here. Moreover, here we've got the thing. All right. Here we've got also the haptics option, so you can either use the custom one, you can create new vibration, or you can choose something from standard options. After tapping on it, you can basically check how it will work, or the synchronized with the ringtone. It's obviously up to you. Moreover, here you've got the store, so you can go to the tone store and download, buy specific ringtones, and then you can download all purchased tones. So to specifically change the ringtone, find the ringtone you'd like to apply and tap on it. I'll pick this breaking one. Make sure that it is marked and simply go back. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.